Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to sell a digital product on Shopify. So for those who don't know, you can actually sell a digital product on your Shopify, but it does going to need some additional settings in order to make everything run smoothly and probably easier. Now I'm here on my product section, and basically when you're trying to insert a product, all of the details that you will need to fill in consist of the title of the product, the status, whether you want it to be active or not on your website, and then you got the description. So this product right here is actually not my own product. I got this from, I believe, other marketplace. So this one is actually a product for dropshipping. But basically, the system is going to be just all the same. So here we got the product description, and then we got the media that are going to show on how the product looks like. On the right side of your screen, you'll be able to see the product organization. You can set the category for your product. You can set the product type, add the vendor if, let's say like this one, this is a dropshipping product, so obviously it's going to have a vendor name. And then you can also create a collection and add some tags. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to find the pricing option. And then you also will be able to track your inventory, since this is a physical product, as well as the shipping for your product. And if you have any variant for your product, you can also add it over here. And that is the main things that you will need to fill in if you're trying to insert a product into your store. Now let's take a look on how we can also insert a digital product into our store. First thing first, we're going to want to click on add product. So the product that I'm going to insert over here is a digital journal that I've created on Canva. First thing first, I'm just going to rename this as Self-Discovery Digital Journal. And then for the description, I'm going to ask the help of AI to describe that for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just insert Self-Discovery Digital Journal as my prompt. And then I can change the tone if I want into, let's say, I want this to be inspirational. All right, and click enter. Then I will want to generate again with a different tone. So here I got my description. I'm going to keep it and use it as my product descriptions for now. And then it's going to depend on what kind of digital product that you're going to upload and you're going to sell on your Shopify. Some product will need an alteration. For example, if you're trying to sell a birthday card template, you're going to want to explain the details on the sizes as well as the way that they can alter that specific template and input like the name, the date, etc. So you'll want to put it on the description box. And I'm going to explain about that later on. For now, I'm just going to keep the description briefly as it is. And next, I'm going to want to upload the media of my journal. So right here, I have all of the pictures of the pages that my journal have. I'm going to go ahead and upload all of them just so that they know how the journal looks like. And for the product type, I'm going to say this is a digital journal. Will not have any vendor, and I will not put any collections or tags. For the price, let's say it's going to be this much. No, 65,000 seems fine. And I'm not going to charge any tags on it. And since this is a digital journal, I'm not going to track the quantity of my product. So I'm not going to tick on it. And then as for the shipping, I'm not going to take this as a physical product because this obviously a digital product. And it says here that you can also set your store for digital product or services. You can just go ahead and click on it. And then you can read further on how to set your shop for it. So basically, you only have to uncheck on this is a physical product box, and that's it. You don't have to ship any product to your customers because you made sure that they know that this isn't a physical product. And if you have a variant, you can go ahead and add on it. I don't have any for now, so I'm going to go ahead and click on save. All right, now that we got our digital product listed in, I'm going to try and find it. And here it is. We got it. And I'm going to take a look at it on my online store. Alright, so this is how the product look like. And if you're wondering how can the customers get the product since there is no place for us to insert either the link or the documents for the product. Now this is the extra step that you will have to take when you're trying to sell for digital product on Shopify. First thing first, you're going to want to go to their apps section, go to their app store, and then you're going to want to search for digital download. And here you'll be able to see a bunch of apps that are going to help you to create a digital download on your Shopify store. So when you're trying to choose from any of these apps, you're going to want to take a look at the rating as well as the amount of people that has already used this product. I'm going to use this SkyPilot digital download here, so I'm going to go ahead and install it into my store. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on install. And now I'm going to sort and setting on my digital product. So the one that we've created earlier is this one's right here. And then you're going to be able to upload the file of your digital product. And right here, I actually have two types of PDF. The first one is the one that consists of the actual journal. So you can see that it has up to 17 pages. And it looks like this. And the second one is the one that looks like this. So once my customers download this PDF, they're going to have to click on this buttons right here, and they will be directed into this editor on Canva. And like I said earlier, creating things like this is going to make it easier for you if you're trying to sell something that is customizable. For example, if you're trying to sell a birthday card, birthday invitation, or other things that will need customizations by your customers, creating some things like this will allow them to edit your design and inputting their own information if needed. And this is also a great option if, let's say, your actual digital file have quite a big size. So for example, if they have sizes more than 1 gigabyte or stuff like that, it's going to make it easier. It's going to make it harder for you to upload it directly into your Shopify store. So creating this kind of PDF is going to be very helpful. But since my digital product is just a journal, I think I'm going to straightly upload the actual file into my website. Alright, now that I got my digital file uploaded, I can settings on a lot of things for this digital journal. So for example, I can add the download limits, and the default one is actually 5 downloads. So once a customer buys this, they will be able to download this digital files up to 5 times. And I think you can change it if you're on their Pro plans, so I'm just going to leave it as 5 for now. And you can also set on the expiration date of this product. And if you would like to add a PDF stamping, you can go ahead and upgrade to their Pro plan. I think I'm good with everything for now. And I'm just going to add this as the picture. Alright, and I'm going to take a look at how it will look like on my website now. So it still look quite the same, and I'm going to try and see how my checkout looks like for this specific product. Now you can see that there is a difference for the checkout page. Usually they will ask for a shipping information, but since this is a digital product, there won't be any shipping. So they only have a billing address for the customer. So let's say that I'm going to fill this. And I need to tell you that all of the information that I'm going to put for this order is a random information. This is going to be just some fake data for the sake of this tutorial. Alright, so once I finished the order and made the payment, I can now access the digital content by clicking on these buttons right here. So when I click on it, I'll be able to download on my journal. It will redirect me into this specific page right here, and I can just go ahead and download it. Now I'm going to try and download it until the limit, which is 5 times, and we'll see what will happen. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5. Yeah, I'm going to try to see if I can still download it. So you can see when I've already downloaded above the limited time, I will not be able to download it once again, and I will have to repurchase the product. And that's basically it. To sum it up, the way you input your product will be the same, just like how you insert a physical product. The difference is you're going to have to uncheck the shipping area, and you will have to need the help of additional app in order to be able to fulfill and actually deliver this digital product into your customers. So that is how you can sell digital product on Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.